In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status in Zoho projects. Changing a task's status might seem like a small action, but it's one of the most important things you can do to keep your projects organized and your team aligned. When everyone can quickly see which tasks are open, in progress, or completed, it becomes much easier to track progress and spot anything that might be falling behind. To get started, first open the specific project where the task lives. Once you're inside Zoho projects, look at the main navigation within that project and click on the Tasks tab. This is where all of the tasks related to that project are gathered, and it's the central place you'll use to update statuses. Within the Tasks tab, make sure you're in the List view. The List view lays out your tasks in a simple table format, with columns like task name, assignee, due date, and status. This view is ideal when you're updating details, because you can easily compare multiple tasks and see everything at a glance. Next, scan through the list and locate the specific task whose status you want to change. You can scroll through the list, or, if you're working with a larger project, use any filters or search options that might be available to narrow things down. The key is to identify the row that corresponds to your task. Once you've found your task in the list view, move your attention to the status column for that task's row. You'll see the current status displayed there, such as Open. Instead of looking for a separate Edit button, simply click directly on that status text. This is an inline control, meaning Zoho Projects lets you update it right from the list without opening the full task details. After you click on the current status, a drop-down menu will appear with the different status options available in your Zoho Projects setup. Carefully review the options and select the new status that best reflects where the task stands right now, whether that's something like in progress, on hold, or completed, depending on how your workspace is configured. As soon as you choose the new status from the drop-down, Zoho Projects will automatically update the task. There's no need to click a separate Save button. Take a second to confirm that the status column now shows the updated value, and you're done. This simple habit, repeated across your tasks, keeps your project board accurate, up to date, and far easier for everyone to understand at a glance.